即马欧洲各地拄等小影，天气是热甲。葡萄牙东南部气温是称甲摄氏46.6度，创下6月份的新高。也若即礼拜要举行的温布顿网球锦标赛，开幕即一天温度是32.2度，嘛是创下上悬的纪录。
日头这么炎，每一个球迷拢有家己防日头拍的步数。有人拿雨伞遮日头，有人摕手机电风吹，也有真侪人是一直啉水。2025年温布顿网球锦标赛6月30开始，开幕日即天温度摄氏32.2度，超过2001年的29.3度创纪录。
One, I have this on, and second, I'm just going to hydrate a lot and just like try to be in the shade as much as possible.
温网也启动冠军规则，温度若超过30.1度的时阵，球员会当休10分钟。欧洲这边的热天气，意大利卫生部对21个城市发冠军的红色预警，这礼拜将会出现超过40度的冠军。西班牙安达卢西亚的首府温度计显示45度，是西班牙史上上热的6月。葡萄牙东南部的城镇莫拉29月冠军是称到46.6度，创6月新冠纪录。 游客拢讲实在挡袂牢。
Generally, trying to stay away from the heat in the mid of the day. Yeah, trying to find I don't know cafes or malls, etc. Something like that.
研究极端气候加气候变迁的世界气候基金组织的科学家讲，今年6月欧洲出现的热天气比工业化进前悬10倍，这是因为高压带和暖空气拢未振动。 造成长时间翕过热、温度升高的热强现象。
We get homegrown heating adding to that, so we've already got high temperatures because of the time of year. But the longer the high pressure stays in place, the temperatures keep rising day by day because the heat dome is almost acting like the lid in a pot and it's trapping that hot air underneath it.
科学家警告，自伊比利半岛到巴尔干半岛加希腊，受到气候变迁的影响，地中海地区这种热甲挡袂牢的天气，以后恐惊时间会更加长、更加剧烈，极端天气会更加接发生。公司新闻张伟林编辑。